Hey, I'm Brian Van, Sportbike Snowmobile Gear.com. Okay, not really. SportBikeTrackGear.com. I just got done wrapping my new 2026 Skidoo XRS 850R Turbo Comp Sled. Found this place, Arctic FX Graphics. They're local here, Washington, Michigan. I actually picked this wrap up from them. I had them design this, right? I put my logos, I took one of the designs they already had, and what we did is removed a bunch of Climb logos that were in it and installed the STG logos, put a little flake overlay, right? A little shine to it, added a couple of Skidoo badges, and I picked this wrap up and installed it myself. I just got done with it last night. I hate to admit this, I think it took probably a good 6 or 7 hours to install it, but the end result is awesome. This stuff's really thick. It's probably like 10 mils, kind of like a motocross graphics you'd install, so hopeful it's really durable. I think this thing looks sick. Wanted to show it off a little bit, even though it's not a race bike or even a race sled, just a trail sled. And give a little shout out to the good folks over at ArcticFXGraphics.com. If you got a sled, you want to customize it, you want to give it a new look, give that website a peek, you're going to find some cool stuff there.